Happy Thursday. The weekend is almost here. I have a road trip tomorrow, so I'm going to top off on fuel tonight after work. That way, my car will be ready for tomorrow. Fuel prices in Death Valley, almost $10 a gallon. Very wealthy people here in California. There was an opportunity to repeal the gas tax, but people here are so wealthy that they don't know what to spend their money on, so they want the fuel prices to remain high. So the fuel prices have been climbing. I'm seeing like $4.50, $5 some places, Death Valley, $9, almost $10. So, question, how high does fuel have to get for you to change what you drive? Let's say you drive a F350 dually, daily driver. You just like it a lot because you like a gigantic vehicle. So at $10 a gallon, it's gonna cost you like $300 to fill that thing up. Is that pocket change? And you'll still tell yourself, yeah, I'll still drive a F350 dually. $300 is nothing. I want the gas prices to be higher because I can afford it. Or at $10 a gallon, are you telling yourself, maybe I should trade this in and drive an electric car or a smaller car? What fuel price will break you? Survey question of the day there. Happy Thursday, everyone. Have a great weekend.